everybody. How are you all doing? So I have my parents' dog here today. She is a mix. They got her at the Humane Society in fall of 2019. She's my little sissy. She looks exactly like a rat terrier. Here's Bella. Look how cute. Hi, say hi to everybody. Are you gonna talk? You were just talking. Did you have anything to say? Okay. Would you like to go outside and play? Have you seen any birds today? Have you seen any birds, Bella? Have you seen any birds? No. What about toads? Have you seen any toads? Have you seen any toads? Bella, you told me earlier you've seen toads. What about a cat? A toad? A bird? Oh yes, a bird. So you have seen a bird. What about a squirrel? You've seen squirrels? Have you seen any squirrels? Tell me. Tell the people, they want to know. Well, anyway, we're going to go outside and they're going to swim. Would you like to join us? Well, get your bathing suit on and I'll meet you by the pool. Grab your towel. I'm not doing all that laundry. Careful, Chance. Careful.
The sun's peeking over the hill. Time to grab my towel and thrill. The water's calling, can't you hear? Flip, flop, slap, the pool is near. Swimming practice at the pool. Splashing water, feeling cool. Kick and stroke, now don't be shy. Reach for the sun, touch the sky. Swimming practice, it's the rule. Every day at the pool. Goggles tight, the whistle blows. Down the lane, my courage grows. Coach says faster, one more lap. I'll keep swimming, no time to nap. Arms like windmills, legs like springs. I'm flying through the water. King of all things. Swimming practice at the pool. Splashing water, feeling cool. Kick and stroke, now don't be shy. Reach for the sun, touch the sky. Swimming practice, it's the rule. Every day at the pool. The sun's peeking over the hill. Time to grab my towel and thrill. The water's calling, can't you hear? Flip, flop, slap, the pool is near. Swimming practice at the pool. Splashing water, feeling cool. Kick and stroke, now don't be shy. Reach for the sun, touch the sky. Swimming practice, it's the rule. Every day at the pool. Goggles tight, the whistle blows. Down the lane, my courage grows. Coach says faster, one more lap.